Patience. Patience is most important for English speaking learner. If you want to speak, if you want to learn how to speak fluently, you need patience. You need to keep more patient to learn speaking fluently. Already I told my another video the process, which process you have to go. I told you need to listen first. Don't speak fast. If you speak fast, you could not able to speak. You will be stopped. You need to keep patient. You need to listen more audio. Very easy. More audio you need to listen. You need to listen English conversation 100 times. More than 100 times. Long audio video conversation you need to listen. You need to collect it from internet or from good source. You need to collect it and listen again and again, and keep patient. You need to listen easy to understandable and need to understand what he's saying. You need to focus on the topic. Don't think at the time of listening any type of grammatical rule or which sentence it will be or the meaning of some word. If you listen more times, automatically you will understand the meaning of the sentence or the meaning of any word. You need to keep patient. You need listening more time. If you listen for a long time, daily 2 to 3 hours, and try it for 1 year. After 1 year, automatically English speaking will come out from your mouth. Like children, they first time listen, and later children can say something. No need to learn grammar to speak. So, you need to give more time. If you do so fast, you would not learn anything. You need to keep patient. You need to give time. Relax. And keep listening. Later, automatically you will say English. And automatically you will build a strong confidence. When it's happened, your strong confidence will happen, it will not gone. It will stay forever. It will cover entire life. So, I saying, listen easy to understandable, which is very easy. Easy to understandable English.